Good morning, dear students. Dear students, today we shall move on to the new topic, that is electric current and its effects. Electric current and its effects. So, in this chapter, what we are going to study means, let us see one by one. In this topic, topics to be covered. What are the topics to be covered in this chapter means, first one is introduction. That means what is electric current, what its effect. And second one is what do you mean by electric current. And third one is electric components. And next one is circuit diagram. Next one is heating effects of current. And next fuse. And next MCBS. And next magnetic effects of electric current. Next one is electromagnet. And last one is electric bell. So these are the points to be covered in this chapter. Which are those points means, once again I will repeat: introduction, electric current, electric components, circuit diagram, heating effects of current, fuse, MCBS, magnetic effect of current, electromagnet, and electric bell. These are the components, or these are the topics to be covered in this chapter. First one is introduction. Dear students, I will show the two pictures. What is the difference between those two? Here, this is the first picture, and this one is second. What is the difference between these two? In the second picture, in this one, we are seeing the objects either in black in color or in white in color. But in this one, the objects are, we are seeing objects with different colors. ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತದವೆ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್? ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ಡೇ ಟೈಮ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅನ್ ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್, ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ seeing other things are easily visible. But in the night, so if there is no light, we can't see anything that must be in black in color or dark in color. So for that reason, in the night time, current is very, very essential. That means light is very essential. So if there will be a light means we will see in the night time also everything. So current is very essential. This is the, what do you mean by, what are the importance of current in general, basic importance of current. Yes. So here one is here. So here electricity, that is bulb is switch off. When the switch is off, bulb will not glow. When the switch is off, bulb will not glow. When the switch is on, or if the switch is on, the bulb will be glow ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಗ್ಲೋ ಅಂದರೆ ಹತ್ತೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಉರಿಯೋದು. ಬಲ್ಬ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆನ್ ಆದರೆ ಬಲ್ಬ್ ಹತ್ತತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಬಲ್ಬ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ glow. This means the electric current is not passes from this switch to the bulb. ಈ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಇಂದ ಬಲ್ಬಿಗೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. When the bulb is glow means when the switch is on, that means the current will be passed from this, when the current is passed from this switch to the bulb. So what is electric current? First concept, what is electric current? See, electric current means flow of electric charges constitutes electric current. That means that current wire, in that wire copper will be there, that copper carrying the electrons. So in the concept of electrons, protons, neutrons, you are going to study in 8th standard. So you should know only that in the electric circuit or in electric wire, when the circuit is connected, current is passing means that carrying the electrons. And also some carry electrons from negative to the positive charge, and some will be takes place from positive to the negative. There are two types will be there. So electric current means flow of electric charges. You should know enough. Simple definition. Constituents of electric current measured as rate of flow of charges. That means if the current is high or if the voltage is high, that means that carries large amount of electrons or electric charges. And also SI unit for electric current is ampere, that is indicated by capital A. That is indicated by capital A. Don't forget these 3 points. Flow of electric current means flow of electric charges constituent in electric current measured as rate of flow of charge, and SI unit will be ampere A. That is we are written in A symbol. Definition of flow of electric current. Definition of flow of electric current. So in this one, definition will be already known, but in this one we are going to study direction of flow of electric current. In this one there will be a 2 direction will be there, conventional current and electronic current. So we are generally knowing that electronic current. One more method will be there, that is conventional current. So conventional current means here the current will be flow from positive to the negative end. Here electronic current means that will be flow from negative end to the positive. So we are seeing so many things in our daily life. That will be an electronic current. That means flow of electric charges will be takes place from negative end to the positive end. This is the connection. We are always connecting like this. This negative end that will be ends to the positive end. That means electron will be carried from here and that reaches to the here continuously. It's very important concept, that is when does the bulb glow. When does the bulb glow? When means in our home generally when the switch is on. Switch ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಲ್ಬ್ ಹತ್ತುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬಲ್ಬ್ ಗ್ಲೋಸ್ ವೆನ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆನ್ ದ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಈಸ್ complete. In that time the bulb will be glow. Here see here, this is in the next 2 or 3, after the 2 or 3 slides you are going to see the symbols for the battery, switch and bulb and so on. So here this is called as cell. Here one connection will be there, that is called switch. So here this is connected directly means that is on. Switch is connected means this is on. So the current will be flow from this negative end to the positive end and then current will be glow. That means electrons will be move here and the bulb will be glow like this. So when the circuit is complete, here there will be a large amount of gap will be there. That means circuit is not completed. That means switch is off. In this case, if the switch is off, in this case current will not flow in this circuit. So here gap will be there. That means circuit is not completed. Circuit complete ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದ ಬಲ್ಬ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗ್ಲೋ. ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಬಲ್ಬ್ ಅನ್ನೋದೇನಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಹತ್ತೋದಿಲ್ಲ. See, there are here switch is on means these two are connected. Here switch is off means free ends, these two are not connected, and that means these two are joined. Switch is, when the switch is on position, these two are joined, then the bulb will be glow. That means current will pass from here to the here and then this carry from here to the here current will be, this bulb will be glow continuously like this. Electrons will be moving continuously. But in this one the bulb will not glow because the reason is these two coppers are not connected, or these two wires are not connected. If these two are not connected means the electric charge that does not flow from here to the here. That means switch is off in position. We are going to tell that circuit is incomplete. So in that time, current, that means or electric charges that will not flow from here to the here. So this is when the circuit is closed or switch is on, bulb will be glow. When the switch is off means circuit is not closed, the bulb will not glow. It is in general diagram. Then what do you mean by electric circuit? What do you mean by electric circuit? See here, electric circuit is a path for current to flow. So electric circuit is a path for current to flow. That means that is an on path. Circuit means that is an on path. This is an on path from here to here. First will be here to here, then here to here, then here to here. ಇದು ದಾರಿ ಪಥ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. For what? For current to flow. Current will be flow here. To flow the current. This is called as electric circuit. So electric circuit is a path for current to flow. An electric circuit is represented by circuit diagram. It is general diagram, but circuit diagram is, see here, an electric circuit is represented by a circuit diagram. So circuit diagram means, see here, circuit diagram. So circuit diagram is that shows the symbols, not a original picture. In the bulb place they use bulb symbol, and in the cell place they use the cell symbol. In the switch place they use switch symbols. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಪಾತ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಫ್ಲೋ. ಸೊ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಪಾತ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಟು flow called as electric circuit, and a electric circuit is represented by a circuit diagram. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು? an electric circuit is represented by a electric or circuit diagram. Here will be there. Circuit diagram. This is simple diagram. This is circuit diagram. See here, picture a representation of an electric circuit. Draw using the conventional symbol of different circuit elements. We used to conventional symbols. That means symbols for bulb, cell, wire, and also switch. That means switch, not a battery. Switch means that contains only two terminal. One end is negative terminal and one end is positive terminal. This is negative terminal, this is positive terminal, and this is called as switch. Sorry, this is called as cell, and here will be one wire will be there, small wire. This is called as switch, and this long one is called as wire, and they didn't give the bulb symbol. Bulb symbol will be like this. I will show in the next one. Here will be there, dear students. Symbols for circuit diagram. Don't forget this wire. So wire means we are writing this one. So in your exam they will ask write the circuit symbols for the following. They will ask in the question like this: write the circuit symbols for the following. So first one is wire. For the wire we should write like this. For the cell, cell means one will be positive end and one will be negative end. Cell means one will be positive end and one is negative end. This is called cell. And battery. Battery means combination of two or more cells. One, two or more. ಎರಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ we call that one as battery. And also connection of battery like this. ನೋಡಿ, large end is called as positive end, small end is called negative end. Always positive end, negative end, and negative end to the positive end. Next negative end to the positive end. Next will be negative end to the positive end. Like this, we are going to write the circuit diagram for the battery. And next one is switch off and switch on. Switch off means circuit is open. Don't forget this. Switch off means circuit is open and current will not flow. Switch on means circuit is closed, that is our key is closed, and then current is easily flow. See, this is switch off. That means here there is a gap between these two wires, this and this wire. So current will not flow, or charges or electrons will not flow from ear to ear. Gap will be there. This is switch is off. See here, gap will be there. Here gap, this one gap. Yes. So here current will not flow from ear to the ear. Connection will not be allowed to flow the current. Therefore, when the switch is off means the circuit is open circuit. And switch is on. So see here, next one, this is connected to the this. ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗೇ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ವಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈಗ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. In that time we call that one as closed circuit. Our key is, this key is closed. When you press this, this is open means that is in the position like this. ಈಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಓಪನ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಇಯರ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಫ್ಲೋ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಒನ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಟು ದ ಅನದರ್ ಎಂಡ್. So switch on and switch off current in the circuit. Switch off means circuit is open circuit. Switch on means circuit is closed circuit. A simple circuit diagram. See here, write a simple circuit diagram by using simple components. They will ask like this in your examination. A simple circuit diagram is that contains one cell, one key and one wire and one bulb. You should connect like this. This is called a simple circuit. And also main point is you should write either open circuit or closed circuit. ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆದರೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆದರೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ write one cell, one key, one wire and also one bulb, and connect those either in open circuit form or in closed circuit form. Electric cell. So electric cell is a device that can generate electricity. So that means that generate negatively charged particles. See here, define electric cell. If they ask define electric cell, you should write a device that can generate electricity. A device that can generate electricity. That means either there will be an electricity. That means electric charges that allow the flow of electric charges to pass from one end to the another end in a circuit for the glowing of bulb or for generating current purpose. Electric current means there is a flow of electric charges. So one is positive end, another one is negative end will be there. So this is the simple cell. So negative end is always connected to the positive end and positive end always connected to the negative end. So like this, and this is called as electrolytes. So this concepts here, positive electrode and negative electrode, they are used copper and one more less electro reactive metals. ಆ ಎರಡು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಲೈಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ 10th standard, I think second chapter or third chapter will be there. Idu double displacement one concept will be there, and displacement, double displacement, decomposition, oxidation, reduction. So in that will be in your 10th standard first chapter. In that one you are going to study this concept. This is electrodes, positive electrodes and negative electrodes, that is anode, cathode, we are called like that. So but this electrolyte concept you are studying in 10th standard, maybe they given introduction you are 9th standard. So ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ಬಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ 7th standard, that means electric cell means that contains two ends, one is positive end and one is negative end. Electric current means that will be flow, electrons will be moved from negative end to the positive and not from positive to the negative. So if they move from positive to the negative, we call that one as conventional current. And next one is battery. Battery means very simple, two or more cells together form a battery. Two or more together form a battery. That means two or more cells that should be together, ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಆಗಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ battery. Different battery means a battery is a two or more cells together form a battery. See here, two here, positive, negative. I already told that negative end should be connected to positive end, then positive to the negative, negative to the positive. That means alternative ends. Alternative means positive to the negative and then negative to the positive, then positive to the negative. See here will be positive means here will be negative. Next negative means positive. Next positive means negative. Negative, positive, then negative, positive, then negative, positive, then negative, positive. ಅಂದರೆ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ ಎಂಡ್ಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಟು ದ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಂಡ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಟು ದ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಂಡ್. And one more thing I told that, so positive end is always indicated by somewhat large line and negative end is indicated by small line. See here I will show. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಎಂಡನ್ನು ನೀವು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಎಂಡನ್ನು ನೀವು ಸಣ್ಣ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎರಡನ್ನು ಸಮವಾಗಿ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಎಂಡನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಥಿಕ್ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಅಂದರೆ ಥಿಕ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಬೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಲೈನು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So you should learn in this chapter. That means very important points I will tell you. First one is what is electric current and what is circuit diagram and how to draw a simple electric circuit by using symbols and symbols for electric devices ke symbol, no? And meaning of switch off, meaning of switch on, and what is the concept of battery and meaning of cell. These are the 8 important concepts, and also how should write the symbols for those, and for the cell and for the battery, difference between cell and battery. So these points should be very important for your next class also, for your examination also. These points should be very important. So you should write and practice symbols of electric devices and also simple circuit for or simple circuit, and also you should draw open circuit and also closed circuit. That means switch off circuit and when the switch is on circuit. So those are all very important. So be carefully, observe the class, and when you have doubts, note down and once again repeat the class, then understood that. Okay, thank you students.